Oh hey, I didn't see you there. My name is Jackson. I'm the Vice President of Production at Modovolo. I'm a pretty sophisticated human being, you know, playing guitars, housing orphan aardvarks, axe throwing, the usual. One thing I really love to do is flying drones. Ah, crap. I'm gonna have to buy another drone. I just wish there was an American-made drone that doesn't suck. I got people coming up to me all the time and asking,
I want a kick-ass American-made drone.
I know, but do you really want to spend $30,000 on a drone that only flies for 30 minutes?
No, but I've got 6K and I need 2 hours of flight time.
You know, I think I can make a drone that can do that.
Let's do it.
I want to introduce you to the Modovolo Lift. Twice the flight time at half the cost. The Modovolo Lift is the world's first modular drone. You click the lift pods together like Legos to build the drone you need. And we have a great team building the Modovolo Lift. We have Ryan. He's the one that invented and created the first Modovolo Lift. He's right over here right now. Definitely a people person. And don't worry, the lift is going to be built right here in upstate New York, where the weather's always really warm. But that's only half the story. We're going to film the whole thing as we go. And we're going to give you a behind-the-scenes look as we get this company off the ground. The good, the bad, and the ugly. No distractions. And you know what they say? You don't want to see how the sausage gets made. Well, I'm going to show you how the sausage gets made and all of its warts. So stay tuned on the Modovolo YouTube channel for the series How the Sausage Gets Made. Make sure you hit the bell icon to stay updated on all of our recent videos.